Gelato Quick On Demand Tutorial for Beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring and showing you guys how you will be able to use Gelato as a beginner. Now, as you can see right now, I'm currently in the dashboard of Gelato and we're going to be exploring the main features of Gelato, the different features that you would be focusing on as a beginner. Now, as you can see, I am currently just created my account in Gelato, and there are different things that you need to set up on your account. Now, Gelato instructs us on a simple checklist over here on the different things that you need to do to set up your account. First thing you need to do is to order a sample. Design your very own first product and get it on your hands. So it's straightforward. Right away you need to, and you will get to create your own design at the very start. The second step is to set up your store, decide on which e-commerce platform to use, set it up, and connect it to Gelato. So for example, you want to connect it to Shopify, you can easily do that with Gelato and other e-commerce platform out there that is available for connection and integration. You will be able to sell the different products that you will be creating in Gelato. Then of course, set up your billing and then publish your first product. Now let's do our first checklist over here. You can see over here on the left side, you have home, product catalog, orders, stores, personal studio, and many more. What we're going to be looking into right now is the product catalog. Now, the product catalog basically means you will be able to view all the different types of products that are available for us to customize. So we have a lot of options over here. We have different categories from men's, women's, kids and baby clothing, tote bags, wall arts, hats, phone cases, mugs, and many more. You can see we have a lot of options to create a design and start selling on different platforms. So for example, I would like to create a design for a tote bag. So I could easily select tote bag over here and I could see the different options that we have over here. So we have a classic tote bag and we have a premium tote bag. Now, we will be able to view the difference by viewing it, by selecting. You will be able to see the different information over here. The description, the material it is made of. You have material, you have the product UID over here, and many more. And care instructions and different pricing over here, regional pricing. And you can check out the production, the size guide, and many more. And if you want to check out the other type, for example, premium, we could check this out and let's see the difference between the other one. This one, embroidery, is available for this design. So whatever design that we create, we will be able to create embroidery on it. And it's also 100% cotton. And it has similar description, except the ability to embroider. So we have this one, embroidery, or we could simply have like digital to garment, wherein they just print it on our tote bag over here. So simply start designing, click on start designing over here to get started with the creation of our very first product. As you can see, we have our tote bag and then we are required to add our design over here. So let's create a very simple design. For me personally, I like to use Canva to create my different designs. But for you guys, you could easily use that. You could easily use any design that you want. You could easily do it as well inside of Gelato itself. You could click on shapes over here. There's different shapes that you could use, different text that you could use. You can even upload files into this and check out different layouts over here. It's also graphics, as you can see here. But for me, I prefer using Canvas, just like a personal preference, because I'm able to create designs that I want with more freedom with the elements over here. So let's say UFO, graphics, or we could even settle with photos if you want. For example, like this. I could create a very simple design just like this one. Let's edit our photo over here, make it a bit transparent. There we go. And we could adjust something, temperature, something like that. And now we have a very simple design just like this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enlarge in our photo. so that it encompasses our entire design over here. Click on share, click on download, and download it as a PNG. Now you guys could create any type of design that you want. The example that I'm showing and using right now is simply because I wanted to, or I use a pre-existing design that I have, which is this one over here. So I'll download this one. I have to wait for this to accomplish so that we will be able to use it for our tote bag over here. Now there's designs over here that you can check out. It's also pretty good, to be honest. This thing is having a trouble with our design, so I guess I could remove that for now, and then ocean or sea. Let's try to recreate the design that we had originally. So I guess I'll settle with this one for now, as long as we have something to put on our output for now. So that that's something I'm going to settle with. So let's say this one. It's not a pretty design, but that's just an example. So download just like that. I go back here after downloading. Simply drag and drop your file over here. Doing this. Or we could drag and drop it directly. And there we go. You will be able to have your design uploaded on your tote bag. Then you can do the same thing from the back if you want. And then you can preview it actually. On this preview option, I think you will be able to see some mock-ups if it's available. We're going to wait for it to load, but there we go. As you can see, this is the appearance of our product right now. There's warnings over here that would allow you to pinpoint information that would allow you to like create a better design. For example, this one, it's asking me to maybe lower the DPI because we have a bigger DPI, or it's asking us to increase the DPI because the image that I have uploaded is only 108 DPI, but the minimum is 150. So that's something you have to have as well. So you could save this as a template, or you could add to order, which will basically order this product for you so that you can have the item itself. So you have the item on your hand, and like you could promote it if you want. You're going to enter your different information over here. First name, last name, of course, the typical information that you need to have as a shipping address. We could go back over here. As you can see, the first order that you have or you will make, there will be a 50% off, which is really great. You're going to save a lot of money, especially if the product that you're creating is a bit expensive. So that's basically it. There's other features of Gelato that you have over here. There's mobile app, design, expansion tool, and many more. I suggest that you follow with this checklist over here so that you can fully set up and be able to understand how Gelato works. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.